Some messing around with these tires, some enduro type stuff. Oh! Just trying to get a cool follow shot of Carter going over all these tires. I think it looks cool. Oh yeah, big time enduro guy. Alright, no problem. Okay, there we go. Oh man, that tire is huge! Dude, that's massive! That's huge! He makes it look so easy.
You can do that one.
You make it look so easy, bro. Like you just. Honestly, I'm gonna try him backwards. Get a shot of Carter whipping through here. I ain't jumping that, bro. Oh, okay, I jumped it a little bit. First gear, first gear. There we go. Oh, yeah. Followed him through, no problem. Oh. Now he's getting dirty. You got it? All right. Hit it. Oh, Carter airs it a little bit. Okay. He's stylish. That's one cool way to do it. I was just riding up it, but he's airing up it. That's cool. Yeah, Sam, standing up. Good stuff, dude. Oh, mucky. There's a couple of hill climbs here that I was going to see if Sam would hit one of them. I know he can do it. What do you think, bro? Will you hit one?
They seem kind of big.
For you, I would say, you know, just get momentum and speed up, maybe in like second gear, and then just hold it all the way up.
Lean forward?
Yeah, oh yeah, lean forward a little bit. Trust me, it's not difficult.
All right.
As soon as you get up to the top, you'll go, oh, that was it? See, Sam, piece of cake, bro. So honestly, I think that's Sam's first ever hill climb. Dawson is a pretty beginner rider. He's gonna give it a shot now. He's on his YZ450 FX. And that thing just tractors all the way up it. Yeah, buddy. Woo. Oh, wheelie guy. Dang, I didn't know he could wheelie so good. Wheelies are hard, man. I can't like find that balance point and feel confident in it. That's tough. All right, Carter riding his Yamaha YZ250X. Gonna see how long you can hold this wheelie for. Follow cam wheelie shots. If you're not good at wheelies, at least you should get good follow cam videos of people that are good at wheelies. That's one thing that I will practice more with time.
If you want me to go faster, I can stand up really down it.
You think?
Yeah.
Alright. The two-stroke 150 kind of sketches me out trying to learn wheelies. Oh, he's better at stand-up ones. again. Nice. Oh, that one's cool. That one's got a couple roots in it. We'll try that one. Looks like you can bounce off it a little bit. I like it. Oh, oh. This single track is like one of the few good single track places that I have to ride. But when it gets a little wet, oh man, is it slick. This is almost better when it's completely dry. Back in here. Oh yeah. Sam's handling those roots like a champ. Love it. Trail riding definitely, I think, helps with your throttle control, brake control, overall balance, which I truly believe will help translate to better riding everywhere, not just in the woods, but on a motocross track too. Hey Dawson, you all right? All right, I don't hear him or his bike, and he's not responding, so let's hope he's all good.
What's up, dude?
You all right?
Yeah, I just can't get that off my leg.
Your leg okay?
Yeah.
You think it's okay? Oh, that 450's freaking heavy in the mud.
Thanks.